Saqlain.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, this is Meenu from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback from your side. First of all, congratulations for grabbing the job.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Yeah, so you can introduce about yourself, native, hobbies.
Yeah, myself, Mohammed Saqlain. I have passed out in 2016 from Arish Markandesh University, Ambala. And after that, I have worked in a construction firm, military construction firm in Meerut. And after that, I was not satisfied because I want to learn new things about the construction field. So that's why I came to CMTI.
How did you prefer? Because how did you come to know about CMTI?
Actually, when I was searching for new courses to learn new things about construction related firms and construction, on Google, I certainly CMTI name came up and I researched about it. And after reading so much about CMTI, I decided to come to CMTI for advanced construction management course.
So when you came to CMTI, you have known regarding this advanced construction, right? So what made you to choose the advanced construction management course?
Basically, in advanced construction management, there was different courses provided in advanced construction management. I want to learn each and every field of construction, which is like interiors and quality survey, quantity surveying, quality assurance, quality control, planning. So I want a little bit knowledge of everything. So that's why I decided to choose a certified course on advanced construction management.
Okay, आप site visit जाए हैं ना? आप कैसे experience किया? What are the new things you learned in the site visit?
मैम, जब हम साइट विजिट पे जाते हैं तो जैसे कि हमें बेसिकली जब हम कॉलेज में रहते हैं या हम रहते हैं तो हमें सिर्फ थ्योरेटिकल नॉलेज मिलती है, पर जब हम साइट पे जाते हैं तो हमें फेस टू फेस हमें कि कौन सा वर्क कैसे करना है, किस तरीके से करना है. वी यूज्ड टू नो द प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज एट साइट कि तो क्या परेशानियां आएंगी कि उन्हें कैसे ओवरकम करना है. ये सारी चीजें हमें साइट विजिट पे जाके पता चली.
So like, how did you crack the interview? So how helpful it was? Like, how did Ashok sir has guided you? So what made you like prefer the things?
Yeah, Ashok sir ने काफी हेल्प करी and even Natarajan sir and other trainers also guided me very well about the interviews. He just told that you must know need to know the basics of the interview which are you going to attend. कि आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आप किस फील्ड के लिए जा रहे हैं, किस पोजीशन के लिए आप जा रहे हैं, उस चीज के बारे में आपको प्रॉपर नॉलेज होनी चाहिए, बेसिक नॉलेज होनी चाहिए. और बाकी मैंने CMTI ऐप से जो अपना इंटरव्यू क्रैकिंग सेशन है वो लिए, तो उससे काफी इजी हुआ मेरे को इंटरव्यू क्रैक करना.
ओके, आप गेस्ट लेक्चर पे जाया ना फॉर द कंपनीज. So how helpful the guest lecture from the company and other things?
Yes, so there was a guest lecture on metro at our office only, CMTI office. So I have attended that, and after listening to that, I was very much interested in working in L&T in metro construction. So that's why I applied for that profile, and by that I was able to crack the interview and came to join L&T.
Okay, so like the things like you already told, like the trainers were very helpful. So you was comfortable with the trainers and other staffs of CMTI?
Yes, ma'am. They were very helpful and they are very comfortable to deal with. It. They help you at each and every point. If you are in need of anything, they will help you with that point time to time.
So so regarding for the CMTI app, so how much do you like our CMTI app?
It's a very friendly app because anyone can learn basically in that both theoretical and video options are there. So if you want to read, you can read also about the subject, and if you want to watch some videos for your preference, yeah. So for that, it's very user-friendly app to learn about civil aspects, civil subjects, and civil engineering.
Okay, that was very nice. आप अभी juniors के लिए आप क्या बोलना चाहती हो? Saqlain point of
मैं
view.
अपने मैं अपने जूनियर्स के लिए यही बोलना चाहूंगा कि आप कोई भी एक चीज पे आप तय कर लीजिए कि आपको क्या करना है इन फ्यूचर इन व्हाट फील्ड यू वांट टू गो एंड कंसंट्रेट ऑन दैट एंड वर्क हार्ड until you get that point at that point where you want to go. Until that, you have to keep practicing and keep working hard for that.
So yeah, that was very nice, and we had a wonderful feedback. Okay, thank you so much, Saqlain. All the best for your career. So would you like to refer Prayojana Engineering and CMTI to your friends? CMTI to your friends.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I have referred to many of my friends while joining. After joining for after 10 to 12 days, I have referred to many friends of mine who are still searching for jobs. That you must come here. If you are comfortable to come here, or you can join online sessions. And some of them are willing to join.
Yeah, very nice. So you can tell a one tip that helped you to crack the interview. So that will help upcoming students.
Just be confident in you that you can do that job, and basically the interviewer is seeing only your boldness and your speaking ability and everything. So you have to be confident enough to answer each and every question, and if you are not able to answer any question, you must be confident to say, sir, I'm not known about this and I will learn as fast as possible. And that.
Thank you so much, Saqlain. Thank you so much for your wonderful feedback. All the best for your career.
Thank you.